the final product. Added the handlebars earlier. Over here you see the mailbox. We're going to attempt to install this mailbox to have dual batteries, and we're going to connect them in parallel. So I had to purchase this, a converter, XT90 male to XT60 female, using a discharge balancer. They have to be at similar voltage. Controller goes in this one, battery A and battery B go in these. Yeah, let's do this shit. Let's see where this one is. So we're at 57.9. Power on again, because you don't want just a little bit left to get you. Battery A, battery B, you decide. .58, so we're good. I'm gonna turn this off. It's gonna be doing its thing. Alright, 1 minute of truth. Let's see. Oh shit. We're at fever. That sounds good. Got it. Hope this video helps you grab the second battery like I did. Catch you next time.